DA got that dope.
Ice water turn Atlantic. Night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic. Took an island, left the mansion. Drop the roof, more expansion. Drive a coupe, you can stand. She love bitches undercover. I'm an ass and titty lover. Guess we all meant for each other. Now that all the dogs free, and we out in these streets. Can you do it? Can you pop it for me?
Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. This that Z shit, this that Z shit. Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet.
Polly wanna top, but I'm on mute. I'ma bust her wrist down cause she cute. Ice. Fuck her on the yacht, I've in a pool. She an addict for the lifestyle and the paddock. Big daddy, have you ever felt Chanel fabric? I be dripping to death, I need a casket. And we got more strikes in the rough, we foul tech em. In the middle of the field like David Beckham. All my niggas locked up for real.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm on the highways and byways. So if you look in the back seat, you can probably see a little bit that you see my dashboard to the Punisher. Punisher again is a 68 Dodge Charger Demon drivetrain. But that's where I'm headed. I'm headed to the paint shop right now. And we're gonna go see some paint. And I think today I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let you guys see the color of the car. I was gonna wait for the total reveal, but you know, with everything going on right now, why make you wait? I think I'm gonna let you see the color. I'm still gonna make you wait till closer to the mid of the video, but I will let you see the color. So stay tuned for the color of the car today. Alright, I'm almost here, guys. I'm almost at the paint shop. When we get there, we'll let you see. Alright, guys, I am here. I didn't expect the car to be outside. But before I let you guys see it, let me take a look at this. Here, I wasn't going to let you guys know the color of the car, but it is a blackish green. You can kind of see a little bit, but in person you can tell. We get it inside, I'll hit it with a light. Okay. I'm going to pull it back inside so you guys can see it. Oh, it looks damn good though. We still gotta do accent right here. We're gonna do a big stripe right here. The Demon from Hell logo is gonna go right here. I'll show you that here shortly. We're gonna go with satin black mirrors, satin black stripe, satin black hood, satin black wheels, and you can see it. That's good news.
They'll be calling me, hey, how'd you do that?
Right. It's the back side. These are the fenders. They're up next. So you can see there's the back side of the trunk. The hood is still over there. It still yet has to be done. This right here would be the front balance. I believe this is the rear bumper, because this is the front bumper. But you can see that's the back side of that there.
It's actually got a lot. I was worried we put too much in it, but
no,
obviously outside we didn't.
See, that's what I was thinking when I seen online, but I like green. But I was thinking, I didn't think it would be green, but this is exactly what we were looking for. Wow, look at that. Remember, we still have those wheels there we want to change. You can. But these 18-inch wheels, they really fit the car as opposed to the 20-inch. Let's close this door. I want to show you guys what I have to show you something. Where is my book? Oh, let me grab this. All right, guys. You don't know how long I've seen this car. I've seen this car as long as I've seen it.
How many years have you owned it?
I want to say 4 years ago I bought it, and then I sold it to part owner of the Cincinnati Reds, Dan Eckert, and he had it for maybe a year and a half, about a year and a half, going on 2 years. And yeah, you can see that. Oh my God, yeah, do that again. Go on side. Yes. I'm gonna get low. Yeah, you can see that. So right here, we're gonna show them real quick about the length of the stripes you're thinking. I love that.
Like that.
Yep, satin black.
I'd say 12 to 14.
Yeah, I like what you did. Exactly what you just did. Satin black mirror. This hood is not done, but it will be satin black. Inside the pockets, this is gonna all be green. But the venting is black, which is going to give it that black. Well, see, we really don't have to do this in here black, because you said no to that, because the tail light is going to be satin.
You're not going to see much.
You're not going to see it, but the tail light. Yeah. No, I think you're fine because
put it this way: if we fuck it up, we can scratch it.
Yeah,
then we go satin
exactly.
black.
We do satin black, but the tail panel will be satin black, because it already is like a black. So that right there will give me that there. We're doing something up here. I'm not going to speak on, but a lot of people who know these cars know it's not many things you could do if I'm saying I'm going to do something up there. I just like the look of it. I'm going to go ahead and put that vinyl top, which is also satin black. I think this car is going to look really, 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 really nice. I've had quite a few years to think about this one here. I bought it, I sold it, I bought it back, and I've been back and forth with the size of the wheels to go with the 2020, the red eye, or go with the Demon, which we will go with the Demon. I'm going to bring Alan back inside, which is in the truck right now, the SRT, to go up here, the SRT. We went with the smaller mirrors as opposed to the purple ones that you painted. We went with the smaller ones. We did bring let me show you guys real quick. We did bring the dashboard and the steering column. Here's the dashboard right here. You guys know it. This is the wrap dashboard. And here we go yet again, the Demon from Hell. We got to get that on the inside. And we also brought the entire SRT steering wheel, the steering column is going to go in here. And here's the front splitter. So tell me what you guys think. I love it. I love it. There, Kim. Tell me what you think. I think it looks so damn good. Let's go to the other side. So good. All right, we're going to take off.
She went to the dealership. She was going to buy almost $50,000 for the skate.
No, that doesn't make no sense.
And she don't have no, I mean, she's 70 years old. They don't have hardly any money left.
Yeah, it wasn't worth it. Well, you can see here,
I'm hoping
we're gonna take off.
got the farm in the middle for Kim.
Oh, that'd be nice, right?
Well,
We're
yeah,
gonna take off.
because Kim runs the farm.
Yeah.
Kim does all the work over there. Her brother don't do anything.
He's gonna paint the outside of the doors and the deck lid. Get those things put on. Finish up some things. We made some modifications under here. Body color, body color, body color. We're gonna close all the holes off and go a durable satin black hood. Mirrors satin black. These are the wheels we're gonna stay with.
And it's too, well, I'll mess with you. If we get to the point where we can't get it where we want it with the motor in it,
Then just
if we're gonna pull it, we might as well go shiny.
there we go.
DA got that dope.
Ice water turn Atlantic. Night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic. Took an island, left the mansion. Drop the roof, more expansion. Drive a coupe, you can stand. She love bitches undercover. I'm an ass and titty lover. Yes, we all meant for each other. Now that all the dogs free, and we out in these streets. Can you do it? Can you pop it for me?
Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. This that Z shit, this that Z shit. Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. This that Z shit, this that Z shit.
Blow the brains out the coop. Polly on the top, but I'm on mute. I'ma bust her wrist down cause she cute. Ice. Fuck her on the yacht, dive in the pool. She an addict for the lifestyle and the paddock. Big daddy, have you ever felt Chanel fabric? I be dripping to death, I need a casket. And we got more strikes in the rough, we foul tackle. In the middle of the field like David Beckham. All my niggas locked up for real, I'm tryna help them. When I got a meal, got me the chills, don't know what happened. Pop pill, do what you feel, I'm on that zombie. I'm more like Gaddafi, I'm not no Gandhi. I'm more like I'm David Goliath running. Niggas be cloning, I find it funny. Clone, we finna know, straight out the dungeon. We finna know, hey. I go in the mouth, she costing me nothing. 300 the watch is out of your budget. 300. Mean muggin' got me clutching. Yeah, and this stick right out of Russia.
Ice water turn Atlantic. Night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic. Took an island, left the mansion. Drop the roof, more expansion. Drive a coupe, you can stand it. Bitches undercover. I'm an ass and titty lover. Yes, we all meant for each other. Now that all the dogs free, and we out in these streets. Can you do it? Can you pop it for me?
Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. This that Z shit, this that Z shit. Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. This that Z shit, this that Z shit. And a Hellcat cause I'm a hellraiser. Self-made, I don't owe a nigga land favor. When you get that money, nigga, keep your heart. I'm sliding in a coupe, ain't got no key to start. I got to follow me in BET Awards. When your well run dry, you know you need me for it. When I pull up in a Buick, you know what I'm doing. If the police get behind me, fleeing any lure. Sleeping on the pallet, turn me to a savage. I'm a project baby, now I stay in Calabash. Like I still serve fiends, like I'm still